Transformed my van into a safari rig. That's your first stop after you get your high top roof. Did you just get your high top roof installed by Wasatch Overland? And you're new to Utah and you have no idea where to go? Check out Antelope Island. It's about 45 minutes away from Wasatch Overland. It's about $30 a night to camp out here. I had no idea where to go, but Brooke is the one with the sense of direction, and she found this place for us. If it wasn't for her, it would be Pilot Flying J truck stop camping again. This is our spot for the day.
This is the visitor center up here.
We're doing sprinter stuff. This place is fancy. Has a beach and showers. Let's see what the showers look like. There you go, it's private. It's not outside. It's pretty cool. Coin operated. There's a store on this little island. Looks closed though. If you're watching my channel and you're not into the van stuff and you're in Utah, there's the cabins right there at this campground. Okay, we're about to settle in for the day. Brooke's gonna hang out there. I'm gonna hang out right here. I'm gonna make it a sofa. So all my bags are right there. The Max fan's going. And here's the back now. So now her bags are here. So we actually have room to walk back here now. We brought a lot with us. Did a lot of shopping too here in Utah. So there it is, just a quick look. Quick look at this campground. We got a RV here, SUV right there. Those are cottages way back there. You got a trailer there, rooftop tent, truck camper. Looks like a bison way out there. And that's a beach way off out into the distance. Cool campground. Antelope Island. First camping trip after getting my Wasatch roof. There's the bison right there. I'm right next to it. Here's the van. Uploading a video for you guys right now. I'm gonna show you guys my neighbors. Since I'm not from Utah, I don't know any off-road camping spots, but check it out, man. Bison. Antelope Island. We got bison neighbors. Ryan's asking you if you like the roof.
Yeah.
You like the roof?
I definitely like it.
There you go, Ryan. We're hanging out right now. Nah, that's cool, man. It's like a little RV. Here's the bathroom at this campground. Very clean. This is why I have a van. To wake up at places like this and see a random bison just standing there. Let me stay away from this guy. Okay, the other day the roof was, I think, 115 degrees. So the glass is 122. The metal roof is gone, so we'll just go with the glass right now. 122. Okay, let's check out the roof. 73 degrees. That's it. We could even go here. So this is the side where the window is. A little hotter. 79. So fiberglass. That's insulation. Because when I was prepping this van for the high top roof installation, I had to pull off the the insulation on the roof, which was carpet and fiberglass. So there you go. This is way cooler now being fiberglass than a bare metal roof. But the heat woke us up. Check out how hot the roof gets without the roof insulation. Right there. Oh, that's Celsius or Fahrenheit. 113.